Hey everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we are going to solve this question nice way. We have 2x power x then equals to 18x. Let's provide solution very quickly to this question right here. So first thing here, we have to copy. We have 2x power x equal to 18x, so that here we are going to remove these 2 that we have by dividing 2, and here we divide 2 on both sides. So we should get here x power x, which equals to here 18 divided by 2, we have 9x, right? So what are you going to do here? We are going to divide x again on both sides, so that we could get here x power x. Because here we have power of 1, we will subtract 1 to get here 9, right? So we shall write x power x minus 1 equal to, by changing this 9 into base 3, we shall get 3 times 3. So this is equal to x power x minus 1 equal to here 3 squared. At this stage we have this one, which is equal to x power x minus 1 equal to 3 power 2. What shall we get? We shall write this one as x power x minus 1 equal to 3. These 2 can be written as 3 minus 2. These 2, 3 minus 1, right? So first nice way, we have x, which is equal to 3, and we have x here, which is the same as this one. We can equalize power to get x minus 1 equal to 3 minus 1, so that here we have x, which is equal to 2 plus 1, so that here our x will be 3. And of course, if we equalize base here, we should get here x equals to 3, so that here we have to check if the answer is correct, because we have given here 2x power x equal to 18x, so that here we have to write this one as 2 times 3 power 3 equal to 18 times 3, right? So that here what we have right here is 2 times 3 power 3 is equal to 2 times 27 equals to here 54, so that this is 54, which equals to 54. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.